Hello, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is my second video. I wanted to talk about TMAU, how you live with TMAU. And what I wanted to talk is really, I came across someone say that they feel suicidal, and I know how it feels. Well, I can imagine how it feels. I just wanted to talk about how I feel about suicidal, because they have this TMAU. As I said before from my previous video, TMAU is a blessing. A blessing that it helps you to contact with yourself. It helps you to know, to learn, to spend time with yourself. When you say that you want suicidal, it means you wanted to kill yourself. You want to stop breathing. When we came to this world, from your mother's stomach as a fetus, you are there very happy, your heart is working. You could dream after 6 weeks, I think, your heart starts beating. Then you start dreaming, smiling, be happy. You can see that image in the stomach. Way before you come, you were very, very happy. Then when you come to this world, you have this connection, breathing connection. You get it from highest. That's why when baby come out, they cry, I think. I'm not professional. I'm just going to talk what I think it is for me. So when you get this connection breathing, that's the time the baby, when it comes out, starts breathing. Otherwise, used to just get all the nutrition from the mother and using the heart. He was so happy. He or she was very, very happy. When they come, they start breathing. And then they start exploring the world. The mother, the teacher, and the rest of the society will give information to this child to shape them to live in this world, in this physical world. So this child been learning and learning and learning and learning, growing up. When something suddenly happened, like put weight or smell, TMAU, or anything, if this child, and as an adult, saying that I'm going to snap this connection, it doesn't sound right, does it? We really need to focus when we say that we wanted to kill ourselves, so we feel suicidal thoughts. We have to question. First, thoughts, they will come, they will go, they will come and go. But if we grab them and hold them, they will stay and they will get bigger and bigger and bigger. So we just have to, when they come, we just have to check them. Where is it coming from? We have to really, thoughts, it's just thoughts. They just come and disappear if you don't give them attention. So this kind of thoughts, they shouldn't be given any attention, but they should, you can look at them. Why? Obviously, there is a reason why these thoughts come in. Just our thoughts are there to help us to survive anyway. Maybe this is negative thoughts, that things that will help us to survive, but that wouldn't help us to survive if we killed ourselves. So we really need to know ourselves. TMAU, as I said, is a blessing. We have to question why these thoughts come in. Who is going to benefit by killing yourself or thinking that? We really need to think about those things. So I wanted to go back. Whoever wants to say that I smell, first, nobody smells. It's all in our thoughts. Again, they told us it's in our brain. Whatever this is in our brain. So majority people, even majority, no. Some of the people, they lost anyway their sense of smell. We don't know if they can smell. So we cannot say that I smell because they're touching their nose, because they're looking at me, because of this, I am smelling. No. If you smell, you smell. If they can smell you, good. Good luck to them. They've got good nose. Maybe you think that I'm making fun of it, but really, if we think about it, you just have to make a fun of it, because who wants to kill themselves? Why you want to kill yourself? This is just thinking. Some thought is rising, and just look at it and throw it away, because it's not worth it. Common sense, it doesn't worth it. Why do you kill yourself? Because someone else is smelling. How do you know? How do you know what kind of smell they are smelling? For example, if I cook, which I am very good at cooking, if I cook and I invited 2 people in my house and I ask them differently, how many people, if I ask them what did they smell when they entered my house, 100% sure they will give me a different answer. So we have to educate ourselves. We have got something that to learn about it. So we really need to think about it. Do you smell? No, you don't know even what smell you smell, because when I smell something, when someone else smell, even events. If there is an event, more than 1 people, they're looking at this event. If they've been asked, they will give completely different. So why I'm saying this is, please, we should never think about suicidal, because life is once. We have to live it fully. Again, if we say that, what about the children? What are they going to think, and what are they going to survive this thing? We know it's difficult. So if we, the adults, saying that, we're not challenging it, we're not questioning it, what about our youngsters that I see talking about it? In fact, they're much mature about it. I don't think I could talk more than that, but thinking suicidal is just a thought. What is a thought? Where is this thought coming? Is it real? So if it's real, why can't it be continuously? We need to think about it. That's it. Bye.